Cop accused black woman of stealing her own car, then saw her judge ID. It was just after 7 a.m. when Judge Marlene Jackson, a respected black jurist with over 15 years on the bench, stepped into her brand new luxury sedan parked outside her home in a quiet suburban neighborhood. She was on her way to court, her black robe neatly folded beside her briefcase. As she buckled her seatbelt and began pulling out of her driveway, flashing lights and a siren stopped her cold. A white patrol officer approached aggressively, hand already on his holster. "Step out of the vehicle," he barked, not bothering with pleasantries or explanation. Confused but calm, Judge Jackson asked, "May I ask what the problem is, officer?" He narrowed his eyes. "We received a call about a suspicious vehicle. This car was reported stolen," he lied. She raised an eyebrow. "By whom?" she asked. "Step out now," he repeated, voice rising. As she stepped out, hands visible, neighbors began peeking through blinds. "License and registration," he demanded, barely giving her time to respond. She reached into her purse, pulled out her leather ID holder, and flipped it open, revealing her Superior Court judge credentials. Instantly, his face drained of color. "You've just unlawfully detained a sitting judge," she said sharply. "This is my car, registered to me, parked in front of my house, and you never even checked the plate before assuming it was stolen." The officer stammered, trying to save face, but it was too late. A nearby Ring camera had recorded the entire incident, including his baseless accusation and aggressive tone. By noon, Judge Jackson had filed a formal complaint with the police chief, CCing the state attorney general and the oversight board. The video footage went viral within hours, sparking outrage across the city. The department scrambled to issue a public apology, but the damage was done. That officer, already the subject of previous bias complaints, was placed on unpaid suspension pending review, and Internal Affairs launched a full investigation. At the next city council meeting, Judge Jackson calmly addressed the crowd. "If this can happen to me, imagine what happens to those without a robe, without a title." Her words ignited reform efforts across the department, and within months, new training protocols were enacted. One arrogant officer's prejudice had not only cost him his job, it had sparked systemic change, all because he underestimated the wrong woman.